go like this. Oh yeah.
You graduate. You've got the degree, a half-dead GitHub portfolio, a few side projects that nearly fried your laptop, and maybe even a LeetCode code streak older than your dog. You're hyped. This is it, the moment you finally apply for junior dev jobs. But then, you open LinkedIn. Entry-level position. Must have 5 years of React, Angular, Docker, and, oh yeah, a PhD in cloud-native blockchain DevOps microservices. You laugh.
Yeah, man, that's crazy, man, bro. Any company not expecting a junior dev to have these things, bro, is like, my brother, like, what are you doing, man? Put the fries in the bag, man. Like, come on, bro. There's no junior developer that is having this, bro. Like, come on, man.
And, oh yeah, a PhD in cloud-native blockchain DevOps microservices. You laugh. Surely it's a joke. But no.
No,
they're
they're serious, yep.
Junior jobs don't exist anymore. What we call junior now basically means senior engineer who costs less and doesn't complain about unpaid overtime. But it gets worse.
Yep.
Then there's the experience paradox. You can't get a job without experience, but you can't get experience without a job. So what do companies...
Yeah, man, bro. That is, bro, man. That is probably the most stupid, bro. And the thing about it is like things like this. It's like this is where testimonials come in, though. If I'm going to be very honest, this is where testimonials comes in, because that's probably the only way you can genuinely get working experience. Because if companies aren't going to hire you, it's like you have to now take it upon your own hands, right? And you know, find jobs outside of an actual 9 to 5 that pays you consistently, right? So yeah, man, jobs that have that, man, like, bro, come on, but like, put the fries in the bag, man.
Paradox.
Put the fries in the
you
bag,
can't
man.
get a job without experience, but you can't get experience
Yeah,
without
man.
a job.
That's
So
wild,
what do
bro.
companies do? Pretend juniors already have years of experience. Perfect logic. It's like asking a toddler to drive, but then rejecting them for not owning a Tesla. But the tech stack creep makes it even dumber. One job wants React, but also Angular, just in case they migrate back. They want you to know Docker, Kubernetes, GraphQL, WebSockets, and if you've touched REST, that's a plus.
Bro, I'm gonna be so real, bro. Look, I'm gonna be sorry, man. Whatever is the easiest frameworks, bro, and it's scalable and it's easy to understand. Whatever, bro, I'm going with it, man. Man. I'm not learning all that, bro. Like, I'm sorry, bro. Like, bro, man, if I learn all that, bro, man, I need to think it's humanly possible to like learn all that, man. I mean, it's like you can know about it, but like to see, you know, someone like literally go, like, just be like, you know what? Let me just go and build some project using all these frameworks. Like, no one, like, come on, man. I mean, maybe ChatGPT, you probably could do it. I mean, I won't lie, but I mean, I don't think that it really, you know, fits the purpose, because obviously some frameworks wouldn't align with each other. So
You to know Docker,
yeah.
Kubernetes, GraphQL, WebSockets, and if you've touched REST, that's a plus. Meanwhile, the actual job is just fixing a broken CSS file on WordPress because the CEO's nephew thought Comic Sans was clean. Wait, let's get to the sponsor of this video, Savala.
Oh, nobody. We ain't doing that, man. Let's go back to right.
But let's not forget the interview circus. First you submit a resume, then you do a coding challenge, then another coding challenge, then a take-home project that might as well be a freelance gig.
Yeah, bro, man, I'll be sorry, bro, man, brother. Like this is like what is also going on with my school, because it was like, bro, they want this like build an application based on like other apps that exist, and they want to like give what we think this app what we think this app is lacking and what can be done to improve it. I'm just sitting there like, bro, I'm not going to take this long time to like do this for free to get to like just get dumb degree, man. Like, no, bro. Like, I'm just gonna make up some BS and try to like, make it from there, man. Because, bro, I'm not, bro, my time is too valuable, man, and I'm not wasting it on doing things for free, man. Like, nah, man.
Then another coding challenge. Then a take-home project that might as well be a freelance gig. Then a behavioral panel. But after all that, ghosted.
Yep.
You just danced through a 6-stage boss fight for a $50,000 salary, a must-be-in-office 5 days a week clause, and free coffee that tastes like burnt printer ink. The best part? Half these listings are written by recruiters who have no clue what they're asking for. Familiar with machine learning? Yeah, I once clicked a TensorFlow tutorial at 2 a.m. Proficient in Jenkins? Sure, I pressed the wrong button once and broke production. That counts, right? Some of these job descriptions read like Mad Libs, looking for an energetic junior with 8 years of experience in technologies that don't exist yet. And the sad part is juniors believe this garbage. They think they're not good enough. They grind.
Yeah, man, bro. Trust me, man, bro. We are elite, all right, developers. We are the elite. We are elite because what we do, not many others can do it because what we do right now. I mean, I'm basically able to do this live stream because of our web developer right now. You know, so it's like web developers have to get a lot of respect because they do a lot of work that we are able to enjoy these applications that we use day by day. You know, it is Instagram, Twitter, Google, you know, YouTube, Twitch, Kick, whatever, right? Like we have to thank these developers for creating this platform and you know giving us the platform to do our stupidness every single day, right? So, yeah, man, shout out to all my web developers out there, man.
And the sad part is juniors believe this garbage. They think they're not good enough.
Nah, man.
They grind leak code for months, build 10 portfolio apps, maybe even start a YouTube channel, but still get rejected because someone else had more real-world experience.
Yeah.
You start to think you're the problem, but you're not.
And yeah, funny enough, I mean, I started have a YouTube channel as well to say I'm following along, man. I'm following along too.
Had more real-world experience. You start to think you're the problem, but you're not. The system is rigged. So here's the truth. Junior dev jobs don't exist, not in the way we think they do. What exists are wish lists disguised as job postings. Companies don't want to train. They don't want a mentor. They want unicorns that can code like a senior, cost like an intern, and never ask for a raise. So if you're struggling to land that first job, remember this. Keep building, keep learning, but don't fall for the lie. And hey, if you enjoyed this content,
so basically what you're trying to say that just continue getting better at your skill in web development or programming, whatever, every single day. Because basically what you're trying to say is that no one is going to train you. You have to basically train yourself and you know learn from there. And I mean it's pretty sad, but I mean I said before, I mean that's just how it is, man. Like as I mean to be honest, man, bro, AI is here, so I mean I'm guessing you know jobs could make that argument. Well, you know you should be able to like know these things because AI is here now. So, but yes, he is right, man. Like, you really should be valuing yourself higher. Don't like let any job discriminate your value. That is probably one of the worst things to do because then you're undervaluing yourself, and that's real, man. Time is money, bro. So you have to try to make as much money as you can within that 1 hour, that 1 minute, that 1 second. You know. So let's go. Let me remove this. Well, you have two more, and I guess well, I'll just watch these two more here, and yeah, I guess we can call it a day there, man. Let's go with this one.
Lately, there have been rumors that this channel is